Hanggang sa...
Hello everyone! Hello housemates! This is your bunso, si Charlie.
Charlie!
Guys, know that I'm ready for you all and I love you guys very much. I'm watching you guys and nakiki-update ako sa inyo. I hope you guys know that whatever challenges or big challenges that you face inside, kayang-kaya nyo yan. I-power through it, i-push through. Fighting lang kayo ha. And I'll wait for you guys when I see you outside. Love, love you all, and God bless you all. I'll be praying for you always. Love you guys!
Charlie! Miss you, Charlie!
Habang sa boys' bedroom,
When I see you outside, guess who came in, y'all?
pero si Cyril may iniisip din patungkol sa mga dating kasama.
Baka sila yung challengers, kaya big intensity challenge.
What if ganun, may chance lahat bumalik? Ikaw bro, would you trade your spot for Ralph or Emilio? May chance.
Maya-maya pa,
What's up, housemates? Ralph here. I just want to wish you all good luck with all the big challenges coming up. I'm so proud of you all. 1 week na akong wala dyan, pero alam ko kayang-kaya niyo pa mag-push, kaya niyo pa lumaban. And sana, kung sino man nagsasaing, sana masarap yung kain niyo. See you soon. Good luck.
Love you, Ralph!
Hindi ka shoutout?
Masarap daw yung saing mo.
Shoutout na yun sa ng Saing Queen eh.
Tinatry ko talaga gayahin yung ginagawa ni Ralph kapag nagsasaing, kuya. Kaya na-touch din po ako sa message niya. Baka hindi para sa akin, kuya, pero lately ako po yung nagsasaing, so siguro yan yung nakikita niya. Hindi ko alam, kuya, pero I don't know. Ayoko maging feeler, pero yun po, kuya.